Hey YouTube, so today we're gonna take a look at the garden and see what's going on out here. So remember, we have groundhogs here in Detroit, and there's evidence of one right there. So it came through here, and I don't know where it went, but it came through here. And let's see where it was going to. So right here, it was trying to dig, I guess, there, and here. So over here by the green beans, the groundhog did try to do something here. I don't know, but that is what that is. Even there's a hole here. It didn't get far, but the good thing is that's all I see. So what I did was I just took a thick piece of wood and some bricks and just pushed them underneath the fence here and just boarded that up with the bricks. That way, if it does decide to come back, the groundhog can't come through. So, and the garden beds, they were untouched by the groundhog. And the only reason I think that is because of these onions. So onions act as a natural deterrent to keep them away. And I've got plenty of those out here. So shout out to the onions. So these are the potatoes, and they're looking good. Let me show you what happened to them this week though. I never knew what a Colorado potato beetle was until I grew these. Take a look at this. So came out here just to check on these, and this is what's attacking the potato plants here. So now that has been eliminated for now, and I don't see any signs of those things returning. These look really good, all three of them. They look healthy, and that's how they're looking. The potato plants, they weren't affected at all. Maybe because I got a marigold in there with them. I don't know, but I really like marigolds. But these are looking good too. And these onions, I don't know if anything bothers onions other than spiders. But so these are the carrots and the beets again. And I thought one of the carrots was going to seed, and I pulled it. Let me show you how that went this week also. So this carrot here, I think, is going to seed. See that? So this is what I got. Well, that was a fail. But I think it was going to seed though. But in here, the beets, however, these Detroit dark red beets are huge. And that's just one there. And there's another there. What did I see? Majority of them. And over here, there's another. Over here though, this is gigantic here. If I can get you in. Look at that beet. Well, this is a bug here. Where's he at? Right on the carrot. Come on now. There you go. Look at this beet here. This is a gigantic one. Now, I don't know if I should let these get this big, but I said I was gonna pick them at the end of the month, which is coming up, probably what, another week. So that's how the beets are looking. Now the bull's blood beets, I don't think I'm having any luck with these. The leaves taste really good, but like, look at this here. So look at this here. Look at those beets. Beets, beets, beets. So these are the sugar snaps from Baker Creek. And there are quite a few peas on here that need to be harvested. And I can't wait. I'm excited. So we're gonna pick these and we'll show you what we got. So this is our harvest here. We've got the onion tops that we cut, and then we've got our sugar snap peas, our first harvest. And picking these will encourage the plant to plant or to grow more. So these are gonna be really good.
Taste this.
So sweet.
Growing in the D with Jalen. Eat what you grow. Eat what you grow.
Eat your own, grow your own.
There you go.
And until the next video, peace.